Position the side rail with front catch towards the front of box and push forward until it touches the front of box. Position side rail with guide set on top of box and hold in place. Install the first clamp as close to the front as possible. It is important to ensure clamp teeth engage the grooves on the rail. With side rail guide set on top of box, install the two middle clamps, making sure they are equally spaced from front to rear. Next, install a rear clamp as close to tailgate as possible. When done, torque all clamps to 20 foot-pounds. Repeat this process to install rail on opposite side. Now install the tonneau cover. Place the leading edge of the tri-fold cover onto the rails. Slide cover hooks underneath the front catch on each side. With cover hooks engaged, lower the cover and engage latch in retainment bracket on each side. Next, attach safety straps on each side. Unhook storage clips and unfold cover. Latches will automatically engage on each side rail. Close the tailgate and experience what a hard tonneau cover should be with a LOMAX Hard Tri-Fold cover.